Share this video. Let's come and listen to the shame and disgrace, no lie. Everywhere.
All the time, social media where sleep with other we busy not be saga. Now you know say this is Nari. Don't say they want to take saga to get me the penal. Now you know fully what's Nari.
And not get the difference between me and you, BC. I know they live fake life. Me yeah, where you wanna yeah saga. Every new waiter. Re now they talk. I know they talk re. We see I not do. I go to talk now. Also, me na maso where. Also, now where people believe me pass you because what you they talk, you they forge down, they put lie on people. Now what me do now they talk. You understand? So when you hear my guy,
you are envy, you are so full of jealousy. Your heart is so dirty. Like you really want to live the kind of life I'm living, but you can never have it. You can never ever have it. When I see what they bring quarrel between let love lead and a muzzle. This woman senior muzzle. Abi, she be senior now. Well, I share because the woman now in here now. Our muzzle go sit down with you back on the room. Someone that is older than you are. For you to read mama.
Now, first of all, Ozwana got the video no where he sleep with Pradmon, he can't talk. He sleep with Becky, he can't talk. He sleep with Blanc, he can't talk. You say from now on. No get down here well. Where from now on, no girl so follow a muzzle again. No girl will ever date me again. Our ancestors, or the king of social media, been the king of women. The here the problem here those zoo a platform wagadi. Your own platform is your dead platform. With nothing good to come out of it. That same proud mom come to your platform to come crowd, to come lie. Say na so a leaking sucking period. Me wa anwo sagani mutenesi na wa anwo. Orita Ebeki Mawu, Ebeki Nigeria, Ebeki was in Europe, then he was watching. We caron Ebeki Negani. Ebeki lelu wenetete. Beki na tota na awugi. Problem in Agbira. Ebeki na agwale kianadi. After a problem is disgraced by now. Ebeki na a god that way. Honor the way kiana for 1 week. Ogikba ina wi mari gwalo. Honor so honor is so buwe adi. Honor me vara the media. To the extent, nobody for this media. The same, this useless mumu, let love lead, no hoana. Honor me de baneri asaga ebeki. Ebeki nare, honor where ilali yohe, eri ilali yakbiko, eri yiwa yakbiko. This same mumu, let love lead now, yes. The same mood let love lead. When we una Becky yeke, una to our Becky evidence no yak bumenwa, bomozwa. Then what I the same mood let love lead in that day, saga Becky, honor the Bavaria, saga Becky. I do my drink, I want, and don't get taught I know I done a heck boy. You go ask for grace, no man carry you go hard. No woman go follow memoir. No woman go follow memoir. No woman go follow memoir. Mumu let love lead. Honor a backbook Spain. Add Italy. No woman go follow memoir. Honor the whole cow. Honor the whole giver. The Sirawu well, we don't go of a best friend of whom when I don't mind why I see. Honor the ade, o cow. Honor the bogiha. Honor the a best friend of say where you obukon where you work iye nora. Was what full leg boy. The more you are following yourself, You are doing advert for me to get good women. And is one on our own and was well live video. Yan you okay, can all one of them. One of them. Elioyi, Agian baby no no gi. It don't get the pain you, Abi. It pain you. It's paining you, say. We're surprised or dead baby memu bottom. Hey, with the cry. Your eye red. However. Oh, but how come? How you today get all these women? How you today get all these women? It is shocking, Abi. I get that, my brother. My way the same. I not feel jealous you because everything your life now nonsense. Can you imagine? How can I be living a very flamboyant life, a very nice life the way I'm living now? I'll come go the jealousy with the other woman. I don't understand. You know, me go the jealousy with the other woman. I don't understand. Me where woman there under. Where married woman for house. I got the jealousy with you where woman married for house. We now one not catching where that woman not catching where you for no say this social media where me are you dey so single man wey get swag enter you go lash with tire you go lash you see that man wey dey for Guinea now you go learn where you go lash tire you go get ta what's oh God now you don't get swag bro they pay you the funniest part when share this video. What the minute they surprise me say, if what this woman come crazy, they come to meet you. And you get over his ass. Where to you, yeah? Where you think the guy in your but you know, stop worry. Becky, where you got daughter? Isn't it your girlfriend? Was Becky not your ex-girlfriend? Make I show you the chat between you and Becky. The media chat where Becky where I love ya. Also, Becky ex-girlfriend. O married by and then I can go to that you can saga there is
black need that woman. Now, Muslim. I dare you now to post that video. Or Muslim, a girl will go at the end of the day to come back to say the matter of Oyoba. If you did say you feel cover this issue, you are more of it who are here. You cannot cover this issue because where this issue is not just an issue that will be swept under the carpet. Our palace is too big for you, Senetia, to throw your mantle and allow us to sweep it into the carpet. So imagine somebody date on Muslim. She gonna say, you are gone.
Who is war? Who dates me?
About my time, no your money for Muslim. Now, when I go feel you while you Kevin, now still not so. Now I get that right to give a Muslim because apart from you, Kevin, no woman will feel settled down for less. No woman can settle for Muslim. They even stream me life. Almost total, you are a younger brother to me. As Avelia said, you are a fool. Thank God you are streaming me live. You are a fool. You are a senseless human being.
They pay you.
A foolish man that will sleep with a woman and come to social media to say.
When I scream my life, no there. So that means you were screaming a senseless human being life. Automatically, you were a senseless human being yesterday, right? So it will pay you now because you don't do your yesterday. Today, I want to do my own. I want to listen to you now. They talk as well.
Your life.
Go ahead.
I dare you post that woman because you don't tell you the blackmail that woman. That woman is sleep. You can't do the video and you can't video her head. You can't video his face some more. Why? For why? So you bring.
You see me get the woman because God forbid I don't forget that condemn because a condemn because the means you want to phone me so about why you don't want it. Yeah, I am here. Who have money? I mean, now you hear me with my brother. No someone who did no say I sign it. I'll give her alpha. But me Facebook, I'll give her alpha. A Facebook when I were at where it's very there.
You know where? If you post anything you get towards this woman, you know see her saga tomorrow. Saga this woman now, if you want saga. After now, you know see I say I not go far. Because ya no makabu wire do tama. But I don't already give that woman man there. We be say almost what if you like tell that woman say you sleep with her for between where we are. That's the rubbish. That one is saga. I was not there. We are not there.
Huh?
So let almost what they talk until they talk. Wow, wow, about loud be wow soon. And I want to also use this medium to advise young women out there or other women who did this Europe. If you want date boy, not date boy like a Muslim. If you date boy like a Muslim, you are finished for life. People like a Muslim. People like a Muslim, they this Europe. There are many. People like a Muslim, they this Europe. They are so.
Enoge we. Okoro bien no gwen we mu yowa. Won no cannot believe Roma kemejima. Won no no ya ku Roma. When na tie Roma. Okoro bien no we. No when na tie Casalina me Roma. You go saw me say. No we mu yowa ni. Esoro saw say Roma wana. Mena ho me igbeke ya ohe. O sa me say igbe aga no go mu wani me na story oge me so obo e best no ga yare man they know me we dey see daily basis we understand na o sa me say e kworo no mu yuo wani when I story o sa me say potopota pekus o hedege de na mi ho ne ma o se va we wo wa for one room two friends go knock o sa me say for one room for Roma here for Casalina. As we speak, apostle under the bridge, the express road is still free. Or you vacants, no only one girl next year car for that one outside. A apostle who I don't know how. That is everybody know. Kebo konekui. I can walk on Bashawo, the Roman Casalina on that bridge. What is Potomamolo? Then it will not, you go know where they talk, you go know what they talk. If you go to the where they stand, you knock on the show for under overhead bridge. Apostle vacants. No way as a thing you were. When I achieve where you were, dizzy at Diwalo, a condemned Greece. A Greece not back for a moto. No way a team you were. Dark oil with a throw away for motor for NG. Now you married for us. He used the second hand. He shot 100 hand used. Ne bo bene. Ni vero maya poko yine. Ni de Casalina here. Na poko yine. Potomamolo, Palestina. Akpoko yu wo kanwe. Palestina. Akpoko yu wo kanwe. Nuwe mujowa. Nowhere you want to talk about your woman. For Rome here, where they don't know that show, it's a Go TV, free to air. It's a Go TV, free to air. For Casalina here, ask him. Your name or any Casalina. The ticket is not at your room. No ask, no next question about who you are. You don't know. It's in my prison. Where they prison, so all those guys where they prison, ask questions how they can knock your wife for Rome here, for Casalina. That is the number will lose. Say loose dog. Amure is a loose dog. Amure is a loose dog. May I get a lot of proof to then beat you and your wife for this Roma where I did so. Which your wife don't do. If you provoke me this evening, or tomorrow will be Friday, I go carry my taxi guy. I say, go your wife. I go stand there, I go do live video. E can go na bashawo, ni die by the whole world. Ni je ma hebo, ni die ma je, e can be na hozo. E can be na big agi aritani. No ya mu go get ya bo wa ho two flat no no my no yes 6 years yabo. Can we na big biadia? The Roma. No, we do they talk to men. Men will matter. It might be an zero no war. Woman don't spend money for her. Who they spend money for woman? Oh, well, easy. We work and cannot go. They cannot say no. It's your worry. Oh, we can't your way. Let a carry the edit somewhere. Let it go here. It cannot say it now. They don't want to hurt me. Or we are not your head. Ya said bonus, I said back because I said, if we go feel safe. You may go I got the senior or that's a new one. You understand? If we get tired, you know, you have so you can. You know, you have walking on it. Epa Eddie walking here. Chemo go let her talk and get your degbay of papillona. Your deg what deg whatever papillona. If we get you know anything in your way. No matter how you join a cover. It not go work.
So, for me to know, I'm still on my leg. It can't distract me. Hi. But according to what she said, that I have been talking on ordinary ground. I don't know anybody. Yeah. And what I've been saying to you.
What she said.
But please don't play anything. But you have the evidence that is not lying. That's what I've won so far. Yeah. No, I might be wrong about it. One mama. Yes, don't even play anything at all. Because for you to know that, I just give you that as an example. For you to know that this matter, I took it far. Yes, now. You know what I can do. Mama, if I play that once yesterday, there for most people. He play. Okay. You not just play around. Not just playing. So what I want you to do now, I want you to get provoked. I want you to be provoked and base whatsoever you have against me on social media. But if you fail to do, Baba with the cry. If you fail to do, because you are the one crying now. Exactly. Baba with the cry. So if you fail to do, that means you are not a man. Exactly. You are not a human. So men, you see why I did not pick anything to you on my platform, because I don't want it to be on social media alone. I want to deal with you legally. Exactly. Because nobody has ever dealt with you legally. Exactly. That's why you are still doing or doing. Exactly. If you have a lot of supporters supporting for evil, because this Ogoba issue, many of them manifested from you. Exactly. Many of them graduated from you. Exactly. If the Ogoba said that and said that if you talk anything, she will come out and play something. That is why.
Or where this Ogoba stories manifested for me. My people, more egbisienero. Asaka no Ogoba. We are number 3 in palace. Mama Ogoba wadi. Ma yokwo Ogoba. Ma yokwo. Okuma hokonegwa. We are not enemy of the Benin's. Ogiame family is the enemy of the Benin's. This woman talking now is from Ogiame, is Ogiame leper. Oyo Ogiame gwana. We man how we Ogiamba suna ebima. There be no Ogiama kesuna do. There be no no lakpono we egwa ogidi gaga yin Ogoba kin yan ni na sun. Ni family Ogiame na gba wa gbona le skola yin mo e biepo yin. There be no sun egbe loveti. No wa. Iye lo gba se we no we. Iye loveti. Igbi age no go no we. No mind the way I see ahe. Ekiru gan mo no we. Oya okigo no ya we loveti. E loveti le loveti na mo dare le gbe. O gbe mo bi o me hana. Am I on like story wa onyogbe. He go pay you after they expose you. Who will tell you gbele as Obiane's children doing underground work, perpetrating evil. But I will expose you for the whole world to know you. E mo no we bo bo. Iye ma ga gbo giamo hin. E ko ti sugbo. O ma ga gbo giamo hin, ma go yo giamo hin. O ma ngu dan. E mo ni gwagwa kan. O bi e we kin. E no ke me kan ri. O nya we ka na o ya yoko. O akeke ne o ya so me. O ze le boy, o ye ti ya kin shi. E bo ha ne. O we call it here. Go me Europa. You want to deal with it legally. Woman to deal with it legally. Ah, what bijou. Et la fait, when man a set it with him, legally, va rien la jouer, even though you don't bash over Hollande. Il va rien la jouer. Et when we deal with it, nous sagas is there. You want to deal with legally, you are a mad woman. The video where you go, a video where you are saga or one or good, you are a bloody civilian. Ah, what pay you are. It's story where we were heading. When it is spare, what yamu hawe, who was zuo, me, more you will boss you. I will pursue you with that. You never see anything. Oh, wait, no wrong, no, you don't. No wrong. Come out, no, do saga. Ebemu was is there. You dey talk to me, any house is there, and they look you. Why they wrong? Sit down for live video, but you couldn't talk. No wrong. You don't know what to go with live video. Don't turn on the way saga. You don't see saga that you're it's not Ajebo. You know how many times I beg this idiot? Make you leave Ajebo. Do you know how many times you Anna? See Ajebo, you got beg him or pause. The next day, only 10,000, only 3,000. Oh, we will picture Ajebo. A woman who does not respect you. Now, I found a lie. If I don't allow it, I'm so happy. A platform man, nogi. Or what zigban, why I disgrace you. For your man, you talk for no you disgrace yourself. Every reasonable woman knows that you are fully yourself. Come out on live video now. Sit down on your platform. Damasco, Ganya, first you come out, Kosaga. Come out now, those saga memoir. This will not be Damasco. This one you want to memoir. Not be Ajebo. This one you want to memoir. For that now, we can make our bio, lads, I will live video. And we are recorded, but we are a video called a video. Oh, where's Zua? Because you know, if you wage, the weight of elephant doesn't cause earthquake. Level colonize worry. You the craze. You just want to they follow the talk for live video. If I follow it, how busy you are. Who are most color? Now, remember when they follow the talk, so do a live video, one live video. Not they call in for people video. And not the real live video where you are in Mugu. Also, and they use the cash cruise, and they use the make money, and not gonna use the cash cruise, and not gonna use the make money, also. Handicap woman.
But then stating that I was lying. But tell me you have proof with you and okay. Everything day, Mama, here I go. I only prove that for them to know I don't just talk or talking or do. And I talk and do. That's why I'm telling you now. If I cannot jail you here, not in Italy, in Spain. Come in nobody. Testify. Okay. But one thing you are going to
Moya Jeluwe, you na Mugu. It is here in Moscow, I'll be all those people they threat you with your Igbo, with your police force. But here, like Spanish police, go translate this word. If Spanish police no as an informant, if I here like me what Italy, contact Italian police to the moment. The way make a UN citizen. No, not a UN citizen. Europe citizen, UN, United Nations. Uzuo. You be Muguna. Oh, well, contact the Spanish police. The enemy, near calling, near contact, any method, we have a problem. You are a mad woman. You cannot make that nonsense in your own platform anymore. Because I'm bagwene. All the saga, the Spain. Now, some have a problem. Oh, you don't the prison for Spain. And they ask you, la vet no hoa. Ashawo kobo no gwale kibieka. Dede no gwale kibieka. Who don't they prison for Spanish, for Spain where you did for Papillon where you did? No, bien a grandchildren. Your first son senior your boyfriend, the man where you born for. Your first son destiny is senior the man where you born your last born for. Oswald. No me or hand of your other.
If I sit down and message it to you, then I don't know what I'm doing. Exactly. So I cannot sit down and message to you. For me to even know you, for me to come to your way, it's not a mistake. God wants somebody to come and post stuff to what you are doing. Exactly. God
So you want me to come and show you my family? Or to show you my marriage? As my what? My okagbe. This is self-and-claim wife. Now you the jealous. Now you can't fuck your husband prick. Wow. Self-and-claim wife. The same self-and-claim wife you wish to be. The same self-and-claim wife you wish to be. Also, this is not getting it exactly. Only my exactly. See,
This is what I want.
You're not focusing on us because I did not mention anything to you. I have not talked to you. You see how God punished you. You have been doing, and I've been avoiding you.
Share this video.
I don't want to put it to dungeon. I have been avoiding you.
What on the hearer?
I avoid you a lot. You yourself, you know.
You see, I've been doing. She has been avoiding me. Not the hearer. Wait for this media, who they do each other? I don't ever come out talk about this one day. The day I did a video and I said, to whom it may concern, it was she. It was she. To whom it may concern, it was these idiots. These animals. I don't mention them all. It was she. And she know. This one be one die. This one be one just in one enter grant. This one be one first. This one be don't die finish. Before I come boldly to rescue her. How I tell rescue her? I call her Susie. I call her Susie. It was she. Only few people, my fans, now you know say, don't be Susie, because she want back. She won't almost kill herself. I have to come help her. Because Susie won't finish this woman. To come rescue her. Because something like a woo. This is someone they talk so. Oh, yeah, it's a lie. Because she never experienced it. If we make a like the way life video.
Exactly.
I said, God forbid. That is why you begin to mess.
All the attention we back when you were in to your barony or your balance.
No reason. And I can never bear that name. I know how many shifts that I called that you pick my call.
Love and like guys on this video.
The funniest part, she's so stupid and also you know what the confidence why she's lying. You say, Nick, I want to join you the trauma. You want to join me the trauma of the palace. Wish everybody, the whole world know that Frank is Guayaku. The responsible chiefs in the palace knew where Frank is Guayaku. You understand? Since you've been on social media, there's nothing you have ever done successfully. I am the only presenter who don't fight for several communities in those states through the help of the palace. And I succeed and I get a victory. Let me use a whole community. Alongside one Eboka community. I fought that fight and it was succeeding. Ebenaya Asani now giving her freedom. Then Frank Erabo seized. That document where the king, his majesty has already signed that document. Until I followed and I messaged to Frank Erabo. Immediately, Frank Erabo released that document. On one condition, I should stop insulting him. There are things that many of you don't know. That I know. And that community got victory. Let's listen to Utako community. Who the crown prince of Utako was on suspension for 10 years. Frank Victor stepped into that throne. And the throne was retrieved back to the rightful owner. Through the help of our excellence, our majesty. Omono Banedo. Obayawa Ogrigan II. Who brought that issue up? This Frank. Thank God I played a lot of videos where they did a protest to the palace, but the palace never listened to them. But when Frank stepped into that issue, there was a victory. And I celebrated the victory. That's all. 1 naira. 1 kobo, 1 cent. Frank not take. Instead, the mumu enogi still come insult me. When you go camp with woman for us, forget the people we're supposed to take care of. You guys know. I'm not the kind of person that take bribe. Imagine say I collect money. Immediately they want that victory. You know, they ask me to send my people to their community so that they will cost plot of land for me. I say, no. Go and take care of your community. Immediately that victory. And no, he called me for. Anyway, see my way I don't know if you turn here. I said, no. Enogi, the community way. Let there be peace in the community. Yega am not going to winner. Yega, you know, they will not give a 1 by 2. They will not give a 1 by 2. I don't want to talk many things. See, if I have my mouth talk, I go, hey, and as one, they cannot don't know anything. What you don't know is bigger than you. More papa with a smile. Oh, to the one I want bazen. In all that you have been saying now, Umame can not kill on Numenwe. Umame can not kill on Numenwe. Oh, when I never your boyfriend, you are not going to worship your wa. I don't know let I what is all. No, where lay your wa, every day bava. 2 times in one particular woman prepare all those food that you came to eat.
The day that you would self agree that you have documents, I celebrated you. You said that I was a fool. I was not a fool. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I said I'm going to cash you unaware. I am going to cash you unaware. The time you did not expect. The time you did not expect me, I'm going to cash you. I'm happy you well.
Always self and claim document that I said I have. Or when you're not celebrating it, una send you go €100. When I yak every month you send you go. If I find out what's been done.
Problem to problem every day. And that is my prayer to you. You must be jumping from problem to problem. Yeah. That's my man, share this video for me.
Or when you must be jumping from problem, but we'll get the story. Me mama go we adota. Me meto we adota prove it. When I see any man to go ahead with me, because why you are not important in my life. The most important people in my life know who I am. They know me. You don't have anything to contribute to my life. That is why I ignore you. I cannot let you know about myself because I know you are a useless woman. But then, because I know day like this will come. That's the reason why you don't know anything about me. That's the reason why you don't know anything about me. You don't have any secret about me that will say. Because a day like this will come. Because it's taking away here. Let's not date it. I have to use my brain. This woman, my pure, or my blow. Anything can be so I can use it to climb. So you have to use your brain. Oh, when you say step acclaim wife, step acclaim documents, step acclaim house, anything we like call us step acclaim. Oh, women were even baby were reports. You have bought your report, even document. Oh, I was undocumented immigrant. Oh, say, we saw the boy. Oh, my life what today. Oh, my life what today. You are gear. Oh, you're going to get me one. Oh, my life. Even document. In the airport. Every time you go to airport, no, anywhere you. Airport with you. Every month you have more airports. In your deck way of Papillona. Every month you have more airport. Every document. Imagine singing a bill. You understand? I don't know. But I was taking you to airport. I was not having documents. As I'm talking now, in my L'espresso, I pay toll gates. We pay for toll gates. I pay at airport. Up to Sandra, I'm driving la. I pay toll gate too. No document, nothing. In our airport, you have pick your airport or Zuo Mugu. Where Zuo, man, no guinea, no give away your ball. Or do you have last year or saying it? Oh my, in your dead number one. No, my mother. Oh, where mume? When I national go where? When I national go where? When you tawa, when you be a sick boba. When you hear a tawa. Mon weapon na eve somewhere. Ebe na we. Ebe na we. Obiele. Menale. Awa mu ije masa ya mu monitor wata. On ma bia kam. Gbeg. On there on no silk be na le. You see this is where those men wrong because you're too fat. No, you control your fat.
Okay. Now, Rebecca, what do say na ya you na me why?
I want him about Becky. It's nothing come and say what I told you about Becky, not me that I'm saying.
I know what you also.
But what I told you was strong about Becky.
Okay.
So let him come out and say it.
Okay.
Now this is what I told you about Becky.
Okay.
If you lie, who did you call the team?
Okay. Maswell, you never see anything. Yeah, you remember your ball. Who do you have fully boy?
You know, give my guy. You know, you are getting it. Okay. Maswell. Yeah, you remember your ball. No, you could go get your addict. Who be your muscle? Let's let you lead your muscle. Where we go when the wing me? Yeah, tell me funny. Some people move shy, swear to God. Some people they foolish. And okay, you say you guys. Me are the guy, but you, I know the story, we know the vibes. Where we go? Now where you go? Okay, man. No, it man. Okay. Amazo. Yeah, you're not here by your ball. It's not a muscle. Okay. I was way. Okay. Oswald. Emaniku, this is me. Babao this man. When I open my garage, all those remnants I doesn't want, I flush them out. They go straight to Inogi. Yes. That is the way I made the king of social media. Anybody I push out of my garage, it will be your PA. Nimekulo will accept. You should accept that I am your boss. You got lokerene if you like way. And locally me use it will use. That's why you remain my boy. Ilwe pragma mikere enough ye for na gwari. Na hold it to yourself. Ilwe bekin na yakin oni sana de for pium. Na kin for pium. Una yakin god daughter. Odegbede ta ati wolo ati gbegbe. Ilwe use it this my use and dump. Oh my God, that's you. Yeah, I don't know making your way. That is me. You know the funniest part of it all. None of them you take serious. None of them you are evil like. When you take a daughter, take on as a daughter, you have never shared a video. Unless you make one. You don't view book you share. Proud mom in a row and go akwegba. Isaga wa vacuum. I don't know how it was. O dead be now what say. I use and dump. I may dump here. When I finish dealing with the Momu let take your lead. Oh, where's where page? Total page. We have bragado. Kuweke. I will dig be no spin no mind where I see no where. And who na saga doki. A saga deal with again. All the talk on the street now. All the call from platform to platform. Una where they come para put for this saga. Say the saga don't head. It don't head now. It don't start. Where una dey? Where you dey, sister? Where they talk say saga not the key. Where you dey? Your friend don't they cry? They go for street. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, let's listen more little because this saga go long. It go affect many people. Yes, it go affect many people. Those from Let Lovely's friends, it go affect them. I go drag them. That is saga. Yes, let me talk. When the time reach to me to drag them, una go see their story about this issue between me, this relationship between me and Mom Let Lovely. Una go hear. So, Ajebo, just sit down. You might download the why I download the because we blogger now. Why I download the I will you who are working any day. The we are supported Mom Let Lovely. A story not constantly by them let not live no you never win ya man. Pero ya de ya don't analyze it. E ma nigga on where you don't analyze it wa be ho. Or second ma ya on kado no. Ari ko de gbogbe ni ye boyo wa ni kare bo ye wa ni lale. Eke bo ri winner. Eke je ma ye ne kana ma ro no we. E go ake small boss ile social media here. Wonderful. Okay. When I go, everywhere go exposed. Sagana why I will hit that's it. And you only Saga, responsible man right now. You know, I have a lot of people around me looking up to me. You don't do Saga, you know what I'm saying? Have to be responsible, you know. You know, the way things are now, as a father, as a husband, you're not supposed to be doing this shit, needed. You know what I'm saying? You don't do this in California, you know what I'm saying? You leave these bitches go, you know what I'm saying? These niggas bitches, they don't have respect for themselves, you know what I'm saying? These nigga bitches, the bitches is too rough, man. She's no clay, man. You know, we don't do this rough bitches, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You feel the vibes, you know what I'm saying? Man, let me see. Make my video again. Oh, I saw that video, no. Oh, boring, you know, and no, you move for you. Hey, we. Oh, but when I hear you, look, man. Oh, I want to tell let up leave. You go ahead.
There is no born of a woman on this earth that will come and question me.
Exactly.
If we may choose, shut up, your Matty. I hate this bragging. A woman now, a woman against Susie. Or he blast a woman now. Oh my God, I can't talk. Then I can't talk. What's I want to talk? What do I want to talk? If it's there like that, Susie, although we care, we rest. Mumu let love lead. Although we care, although we kill me one. Asim yekia, Agbina yekia, onagasi lekia, onage woguna. She said, "Dirty umokuno modo, body odor, body odor. Oh you mayame me. We are a bon sorry 200 euro, 200 naira in Nigeria. You beam with egg roll. How you egg roll? You beam egg boy in a good guy here. About this my yasha. I want to see acting like me. Oh no, you pay your meji. 3 years only. My be we married. My work here. The loving yes, you might come. Sister, might come. You might come. You must come. I need to come. And you must come. Yeah, yes, eh. What when you need any money? Let me be my guy. Wow, we are having wow, we let me. Oh, back. We are more, Baba. I don't boy you. We are mere so prime yes. Who your body hoy? Who frank who honey, huh? Who you boss here? Who honey, huh? We qua. Oh, wow. Yeah, we are let love lady. Heck, we in a grow. If you sick, me cause you go here. I'm here.
Social media king.
Hello.
I need to go government. See where who is our you must say where you tell me where so who brother. Oh, but we are playing this TV. Anywhere they where I think you don't have shame. This woman will stay carry master go give the with hand. Frankie na latia we love your kewene well latia no dinner because you're a big woman. Advanced woman like you, disgracing yourself for public, I don't understand. Where one of the advice to wear madam. Now wow. And that's my balance to my brother. What you who were king and married well, who were why to read us and no way fracking. Yeah. What said I will where you try? I want more was yes, ma.
Your boy, my sister.
3
years is not a joke. Your boy, 3
years is not a joke, but this woman has still advanced rich no na. Okay, can never respect her boge. Unrespectable or not carry. Okay. He's bringing our generation down. They bring generation down. And more even one year to again no sense in Nigeria do you talk. sense in here. Like you understand, where the topic here, madam. Where the topic where the fat guy, man. No, we can now hear you. You understand you. You want begging the no whatever, no give away and win my tag. You no get set to a case of me. You no get set to a laughing. No, when I'm with my tag, no get here to assist school. Esha mina hungu ya madam. Now go where we topic. Ula what? See, social media is a thing. It's a guy more a saga bet more to stop in a bed or money. They only good night with social media. Without know you bringing your generation to come and disgrace your egg before you know say you they talk for public. You again no give we know where marriage in every PC. When I who calamity and talona ni oh here me PC. Ego have a lagwa because every go ni every no every na oh no ikele we marriage no gele me winner. Okay no get me tawagbo. Then no kaje yo geje. There is no different for a no get life. See who you go carry your master give. You don't see what I said to you, my brother. You don't see married man. Married man, never marry. And we never married.
Share the video. Let's go there. Share this video.
Never marry. But they use one fish head and white rice that they cook for them. Okay, don't marry now. Now one turkey on top of jollof rice. Hey, oh no, best way not to eat where I want it tough for public. I be not the looker. Still, you go carry one for give. A Frankie we are saga. A Frankie. La one man call. They are respecting it because they no game work being botone. Social media na ga la gbere. Social media na egwe. Ije ga gboma me. Social media na egwe. Ode reje ya bie no gie. Na so my sister. La wa. I beg, no, I don't respect Nene Tony McKewe Revu Sefi. Egbe ya wo me fere me brother wa wa gbeleji aye. Agbewo. We wa gbeleji aye me brother. Eki we ni Revu la wo ajo ikondo. Ye wa ya to hia. Ajo ikondo we ru wo ko na ni so ba we se we mama ni are. So I love TV now.
Oh, SF love you on a mommy mumu let love lead.
Mumu let love you. Yeah, teta pa. Ma beg ai. Then ye was na ni o yo mo so ame mu konia. Eku we ne kuku le temu ajagmo my brother.
We are atafu.
Ya chinia. Everywhere you have to kiaji my brother. When we married, everywhere you have to know where I go. I
your boy, my sister. I have to help this women. No husband. What can you do?
Happy. Where you happy and attacking now here. When you happy.
That's a bad.
When you have money, I went to where you happy and you go when you are town money. I'm happy. I get well. For no sense, that one not sense. Even now,
and this year, yeah, dog, yeah, use a dog.
Only if I know any understand what Paven only was down the egg. If I get
she's come down. I greet you. Now, maybe destiny killer. A destiny where I bear a media. A destiny where make back here. Nobody have respect for you again. Mommy, let take care of my me rock. You go feel if not de kuyani ka we de kunina ikini zuwa media. It's so hello, you know hearing me. Saga, na yo don't play. Hello. I greet you.
Hello?
Go ahead.
When they are sharp, when I see what you wearing, only back there.
What to do about it?
go do? Here we be yasha. Yes, we woman. I'm here. Oh, here. Oh, my piano. Oh, my piano. Yeah, we're going to be on your my bassania. The friend of one day. Oh, I broke one day. Let's take your lead.
Between you and Pradman, I did not even want I don't know anything about Transpire, but I heard that you also beat her on live video.
Exactly.
Then later, when Becky O came, I called you. I did not watch. You said I did not watch all your videos. I cannot be watching it. So that I will just meet you at the middle. I will just come and leave. Everything you said, I will not be there again.
Then we're not talking here. This woman also joined some of the people. My people not listen, you know. I want to cure her now. When I share this, I want to cure her now. What did she talk? Let me want cure small. I want your close small parts for her body. This idiot, this mushroom, will get stretch mark for brain. Because this one gets stretch mark for brain. You understand? For brain, she gets stretch mark. Because if this one not get stretch mark for brain, she's not going to lie. I tell you. La reine of Betty, you come away. When all that sets this mushroom, one guy now they bring all those audios where they play for Olako Mata for their group. One guy now they bring it for me. The most of the audios where I play for that Olako Mata. Now one particular guy where they inside their group, where don't they align with waiting. And the rest guys they do. He forward all those audios to me. There are the more audios, they have to come remove the guy. You understand? After they remove the guy for the video, for the group. So now because they gotta get down with it, they gotta align with them, which they rubbish what they do. This all dead they constantly there inside the group. This time on dead now, this mushroom so he also get a lot of audio when we say instant for come for me from that simple talk show group. That's to let you know, see, the time where they beat Olakoko, this woman, they always call it by platform there. Many of them know. She they call in. So, it already they follow me. Before they enter life, they don't where they give me love alike. When the saga, Olakoko, Ogelekia, and the rest others useless men, when they use their wife to do asawo for Scandinavia. You understand? They are stupid men. No matter Olakoko, Ogele, they are useless set of men. You understand? So, this mushroom, this idiot, when stretch back their brain, where they say, in the comment, in the listen, in the watch me, so, this idiot. If they forget also say, people when they listen now, you guys be a witness, seeing this woman, they always put love alike for my video then. When this water, before the issue of me and my Becky will come strike. Now, listen, let me introduce the guy and let you guys know. When the saga Olakoko, I there for the first house, 1 room, 170 euro room for Palestina. Now rent. Now there will know this mushroom. This idiot. While listen, see, let the care lead. A what here cure. Truth not going to beat you for this video. I think it's truth not going to beat you. No me joke. If you forget it, since your brain gets stretch mark, my own, they are on my brain. You understand? It is spark and they very, very intelligent. So they remember everything we conspire between me and you. When I did 170 euro room, now there I for know this mushroom. You understand? When I did saga Olakoko, now there from there, Becky can come. You come on last, I come last Becky for that same room, that same house. Now if I put our Becky body, nobody should come in. Now if I put our Becky body, what? For that 170 euro room, because I don't carry 2 rooms for that same house. Then, when I come back, come go 1 room self-contained for Sagarello. Now there, me and Becky for the fights. Now I fight for set, wear for dress, wear gun, paint lips like Becky. This same woman, they follow me there. You understand so? This woman come beg me so we can leave Becky. Then, later, Becky no agree here. Becky see the misbehave. This same woman started to join me. They blast Becky. Woto. Now there, I say we for spare. The matter can't come. That same room, one room separate we had that time. Now she come bring a 7 matter come. Those women where they sleep around for those pastors where they sleep around for other married women for Spain, for Victoria, a complete amount of con. Pastor Esewi and the rest. Now the amount of enter my hand. Now they want to test that this same mushroom. When stretch bank they brain, they are brain so. If she forget this, we could not share this that could analyze her. I could expose her clear. I not get shown, I not get one TV and one lost, TV and one lose. I just want to disgrace this woman. Make your word know the person who she be. Now let you respect what you get. I don't collect her for your hand. Now me they talk about what this man. Because you are an evil woman. You feel so? Okay, right now, this woman, she already know say, all I could already fall. Now me they talk. All I could when she back up. Now she back all I could go then. After I could go fall. Now she best. Now she don't come my side. Because she knows me to get vibes. I still get more agility. People see they watch me, crowd they follow me. So she they look for where crowd they. This woman, it don't knock this guy, the Damascus down. The Damascus cause say no level again. Damascus cause switch to politics. When he enter Olakoko was vibing before. Olakoko they vibes. Now remember when I broke Olakoko man that why they Germany. Olakoko they vibes, they get crowds. This one, they call it Olakoko. That was this Olakoko they blast Destiny, they blast Esther, you call it Esther, select your song, blah blah, Ebony and Saba. Now remember that time. This one enter Olakoko. When they watch anything I thought so, and they talk with proof. Now, all of them they watch us then. If they forget they flash the brain back. This man killed Olakoko career, bam, down. Now I enter my mouth back. Baba, you know, say man, not be all brain if they coordinate with. Because if you want coordinate with hand sharp brain, they will coordinate you because they are all brain stretch man day. So this man they come, they bring matter, they come. So if you bring some matter, they come. See, if I tell you no matter where this my phone, where this man give you, I never talk about it. Una go hey. Una go hey. I go to give you a proof. This my phone, yakma. But we go reach there small. We no go rush on. As they hot the ball, don't play. We no go rush on. More time what I expose you with. Matter whether this my phones, where I never even talk about. Oh yeah, bear. Oh yeah, be. In my head, one can. I thought I was going to acquire. I hear disgrace. They don't hold speak. Only you want everybody secret whether they watch me now. I just did secret whether they watch me because they want to know your useless character. This woman, when I did that self-cutting, this woman, he give me a say we and the rest of that people back. With proof. Because I asked for proof for her. For real, she didn't give me proof. That's the truth. You understand? Forget maybe she come for cop. She didn't give me proof. Everything she didn't give me proof, they follow her. And I'm not saying big get proof now. Falling. And they blast the hands down. And they drag them like a better. I go piss for their pistol. I go spread their jam. All those old cargo waiting for Victoria. Victoria Gasquet. And then they call them. All those name they call those city. Where those they sleep with people wife. That is, you just be like their tradition. They go to lash their wife. Like all those Guinea people. Now so they go for that city. You understand? Can't reach Moscow side. This one, we never enter Moscow side though. Inside there, so Ameze, one way they call Ameze, where they call Amuhe, one of Madrid. The matter can't come. Based. As the matter come now, pinch this woman. How far? See matter where I see. Now this man call, say, Ameze, so person they don't have plaçant. So you go this, you get one they call what they call and Moscow. Don't have pinch on. So but you not see proof, give me, you only give me information. So due to the information where you give me, I don't think I can blast the Moscow them. When they use Breno, Ameze, what they call Spice Vision, you understand? He pinch Spice Vision for me. He pinch Spice Vision. He pin the Moscow. He pin Jackie Sula. So he pinch some other men, you understand? So which I boss their name, come and say, call me, Jackie Sula, Don Moscow, this one, I call them. Don Moscow call. You understand? Don Moscow can't call me. Don Moscow explain it, say, hey, you don't sleep with Ameze. You don't say, well, I know, you don't say Ameze, so blah, 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 blah. I said, okay, no problem. Babash. Because no evidence to back that one up, no evidence. Now I burn that one. You understand? Now I put the Moscow. That was the first time I felt drag the Moscow. I can't put the Moscow. As he called me, he explained himself. Now I leave the Moscow. Bam. Oh, Bob. This one has 5 inches on the form of Duga. 5 inches come on to go to bring with Juju come. Then go bring a native paper. This is the corner, you bring back for me. I send it to the blue film. This is the use blue film, knock. I've not come since then. I've not come since then. I'm coming. Let me, yeah. Let it watch blue film, let it bring bam. Let it come in. After it don't come finish. Next day don't come and say, my friend, what's the meaning of this? I say, you mad? You never come. You don't come. Don't watch this. You don't come. Then you're gonna call me. My friend, go and sleep. You don't come. Oh, this man will make it, I swear. Oh, did you come? I said, did you not come finish? Oh, you might want to call me. Now, bone. They could have remember what's in the town, so. They could have just remember everything we had to talk so. Because he gave where we they go. This one where they talk so, I was still living in one room self-contained. You understand? So this one they call. If they call, you know they could end call. Me, I know they feel it. I know they feel it so many talk. Summarize what you want to talk. Sharp. I don't use my brain calculate. I know where the head they go. Give me proof. When I get people hand, I leave the rest for me. I know how to drag the person. You understand? That one in my work. Okay, fine. This woman, okay, no, lots. Me, I only like the record people. How many memory I get on the record people? My brain a recorder. Don't think you go tell me where I go for guests. I get everything with my brain. That's why they cure this woman matter. Baba, that's what they do this what do they call her? This woman where that's so big. That's so the person carrying the children to come church for a say with church. They say we go there with church. That's so they pray, they deliver person. That's so the pastor, they name. But don't forget that pastor, they name. They share blue film. They go, they give people matter con cast. Mom, let the carry this. Oh Bob. That's okay. Fine. We don't care the matter. Doesn't matter. They use my wisdom. All this one, when we say evidence not there, I'm going to use my wisdom to settle them. When they cure them, when I go cure, when I leave on. I want to talk everything. Bam. But now we bounce enter the Moscow side. Beam. Because my eye did the Moscow body. I watched the Moscow back to back. From that amazing matter. I did match the Moscow. You understand? When I share the video. You understand? So after they match the Moscow, this guy, Mr. Emafidon, that guy, another man, Mr. Emafidon will be the most pay. Mr. Emafidon throw one video. That video now straight to the Moscow. And now I tell you that the Moscow get the video. As I watched the Emafidon video, now I trigger this woman. After see the video where I watch, he say yes, he say watch the video. If you cover the video, he say yes. He said that the Moscow they talk to, and the Moscow do one. I say yes, I say yes. My thinking was right. First, I was just thinking that the Moscow they talk to. Immediately, you confirm the get if your confirmation, you're not confirmed. Being saying that the Moscow they talk to, I say good. Any other evidence which will give you your pack for being sharply. The woman where they say where the Moscow do the daughter, where they do good daughter, where the Moscow call the lash, everything, where the Moscow where carry the Moscow house, where the Moscow. You want to give the Moscow house, everything, he knock everything, give me bam. That's okay. The Moscow, you are welcome to my track. You are a central lord. You are what? A central lord. Now they hand tell me the Moscow. Bam. You see so? Now they hand. After terror investigation, so there, now take grab the Moscow and whip. I whip the Moscow. I whip him. And the Moscow went up. The Moscow go open page. Base. All those guys, even the guy where the Moscow wife born for, waiting for France. And this one, everything we want to know about the Moscow. Now this done. Now I hand you for year. They came in. When I share this video, anything you want to know about Don Moscow, the central lord of Victoria Gasquet. Mommy, let it carry the get them. You understand? This time around, I was staying in my one room self-contained. If I can rent 2-bedroom, now I move from 2-bedroom, from 1 room self-contained, now I go 2-bedroom view. Open my studio, launch my studio. So I launched the studio back. Saga continue. I told this one call a call. When I launched my studio, oh boy, this one they give let me the rest to go. Hold their hands. Hey, man. Now I enter on a bad guy. What do you expect? It is in a way my normal respected bay. Now run now. He said, get to daughter. You know, you're giving to daughter. May I marry there? I say, give me one for inside. 19th century, the two girls for me, 2 girls picture. They make big. see big, you see fat. Send two girls picture come for me. I look and I don't see anyone with pictures. One vessel, what does your daughter? I know so not fine, but for the eyes of my husband, I'm fine. But when I'm too fat, when I go reduce, when I go do weight lost. When I ever born, I'll be like, who don't born 70. I'm not the girl now. I know the tell the reality of life. Because when I go see, if not, if I go marry my brother tomorrow. You understand? But me, I'm not deal with those kind of women. Because I look future, not look present. The present might be sweet, the future might be bitter because I'm too fat. I want to take my woman out. I don't want to carry. I don't get to Evans to the carry woman. I don't say the car on a mother drive. I don't say the car on a mother drive because why she's too big. You need heavyweight champion. You understand? She's too fat. The children, they be bottle or bobozi. And they be, I look this and I say, I don't fit and I say, because that's how they play. I want to say, you're too fat. I know they're too ugly. No, sorry, not fine. Let me say it is now. And I'm fine for the head of my husband, but to me, you'll never find rich. For my husband, my boyfriend, you are sexy, you're beautiful. But to me, you guys are ugly. You're my kind of type. I want the body shape now. But the shape when I get. No, sorry, no face. No, I don't like big. I like big things, but this is not kind of big thing. I don't like them. This one is extra. Also, when I try to do exercise, they're not saying the big, woman, the big. There are short being women. They say short being women. You understand? Short being women, the women with the shopping. You having a short being woman, you have a fat woman. But when we take care of lead, not be short being woman, a fat woman, or a botibo, or bobozi, ya. Onye boboti, that is bobozi, zaga. Oye zaga, magwa, oye zaga. You understand? So when I see her, now I say, okay, babe, it is better me just date you than date your children. No, I get you or him must be you way. Say, brother, with this one, you're very funny. About with this one, my boss, you do the funny, I don't like you, my boss. My boss. I was going to say, my mommy, my mommy, what do we make? How about we done? Give me my money, for she to pray, make the children get husband. She could not dive the children, jump the children, enter me. They will do everything to persuade me to date the children. 25 to 30 years old girls, they are so biddy. They be like 90 years old woman. Yeah, take back. They go. If you let love lead. No, ya persuade us. No, we're there where everyone go. Or maybe I no matter where we take bow. When I don't bow you. Una desiccate the way they carry. We take a persuade no more you wear. When I baby you well done. When I are winning the care, Usaka Moria. Usaka me to one. Oh, we are beg Goku, please. Oh, we are in your we are persuade Goku, oh, we are force Goku, or disturb, oh, we are disturb Goku. Oh, we are yet going to win your Muhammad, Sister Muhammad, Sister Comasi, Sister Lao, Sister Do, Sister Yao, Sister Adena. Oga la veti no hoa, Eyerio, Usakami toa. Usakamoria. Wait, okay. Do it, my get hoa. What to come make you think? Come give you that agility. We it was the matter where you were because we're a left nipple. What no ya we like a nipple, a left nipple. Oh I want a nipple. No call sister nipple ne book bene. A nipple me nipple. Oh a nipple no leg. On a grace, there are grace that follow nipple. Oh I'm nipple. A life way change. A life way I change. That way feel here. I hear nonsense. I hear noise. Are you who you guy? If you will use all chest to chest it. My own woman who won't basia. The boy and all this sort of I will live, you know who is supporting you. Don't be an only body way, yes, my wife, my baby mama. Your baby papa now they are all happy. Rejoice inside where God will punish them. Who's no what punishing? We are dick me I think be. Yeah, tell you we need we move. Auto. I will deal with you legally. I will deal with you legally. I will deal with you legally. Alaga. No bien me hand no feel work wa ku ko be ha. O ma deal with you legally. Alaga ozwo makon. Mamu. I will deal with you legally. I will deal with you legally. Oh, we are no mass. No, you went here. No, we call you a bomb. Oh, my deal with you legally. Where are you? Oh, I mean, more. Baba with this man, the king of social media. The man more maternal see. A police explain, no matter baby, you are a madman. You are a bloody civilian. Maternal see, not look castle. The man more and not do your police explain. You are a bloody civilian. On va not telling more to all our soon. When legal men. See, I give a day with life, it will be worst. It will be like it will be worst. Say, if you know it be me, you know we would try me. If they were the worstest one, who will be a report? Yeah, when we are in, me, I'm the opportunity I will for Wigan. We're going to be worse again. You know, the Chris. My who will have boozy no Spain will threaten with legal process. I want to deal with legal berak. It's when all who are the Holland. No, Gualeki be like mother, like daughter. Like mother, like daughter. That's the matter the Mijuwe. And you may have become away. Is you way you give him mobile. Oh, go make them with him. Mogileke ya kin ya biya gineke wedi amu amu immediately because share this video amu immediately to you go explain tire get that me hoe mo ma wo no ije me e don't go where you go.
Very early this morning, you have run out. Only pass one message to you. Baba will cry. Soon or later, the self-acclaimed wife will also go to analyze her on social media. Soon or later, to whom the brain is giving, wisdom is expected. So, soon or later, she should know that also our own is coming very soon.
Sure.
If you can bring the one that born, the one you married legally, but this one is not married, no, this one is self-acclaimed. This one is self-acclaimed married. But the one you married legally, if you can disgrace that woman on social media. So this one we are expecting from her. So right now, at this junction now, I am going to leave you to cry until peace reign in our kingdom.
You know where you came, Mama. I have almost Agbel.
He said that me I'm recruiting. You are too small for me to recruit. I said with just finger, I can pull you down with just my finger.
Exactly.
Nothing more you are going to say. But whatever you are saying to anybody that's watching you do there, nobody are feeding me. And nobody can remove my post from me. I have my post.
Thank God
that if so you know that I have my post someone abroad.
Mama.
So whoever we are talking to there.
If you have we are following leading me. We are very. I have Facebook now. We are following leading me. Ma. Yeah, why when you are on live streaming my door. Yeah, only where to go. We're only here to post. We're there here. Almost all. This was my own.
No, this is all live stream. Let me talk to him. Now that he's live streaming. Now, what you are saying about Moscow, I did not say it to only you. It's a lot of people. One. Because this present one, the first one, I'm not aware of it. I'm not aware of the first one. The second one, I'll just say it to a lot of people, not only you. So please, Baba, when they cry, Baba, when they cry, stop crying. Best whatever you have about me on social media. Let me take it over from there. Spiritually,
You they repeat one thing. You repeat one thing. They repeat one thing. Any wise human being on this earth, listen to you now, no see, you are frustrated. You're depressed already. I told you, as if I come out for you, you go sleep past fella. Fella go fat past you. This remote go fat past you. You think it's a joke. Whenever I go start now, you don't know. You've been on this screen since for the past 1 hour. You're repeating one particular thing. Whatever you have, your self-claimed wife, your self-acclaimed wife, your self-acclaimed. You want my wife to call it? No, we're 20 been working me a good one. We're 20 been me a working on life. You go to me a total of everything about me, you know my way. No my way. You just follow yourself. And this is the reason why I need to disgrace you. Fine. What I want her way, leave her for me. I go handle her. She's too small. Yes, now. Hello.
Hello, Frank Victor.
I must greet you.
Please give me some audience. 2 minutes. Let me talk to this woman, right?
All right, it's a speaker.
I'm going to paraphrase what she's saying. She said, to whom brain is given, wisdom is expected. As a woman, you and the man was talking. You want to give your daughter to the man, right?
Yeah.
But at the end, you end up sleeping with the man. You should be ashamed of yourself. Because even when your kids hear this, it's disgusting. So it means, even if Frank had married your daughter tomorrow, he still would have had his way with you.
Exactly.
You are a disgrace to motherhood. Number 2, in this part of the world, if a man says he sleeps with a woman, I'm in Canada, I would deny the guy. We deny him, like, you know what? I don't know this guy. But you are so happy, you're so proud, letting the world know more details. All you should do right now is to hide your face in shame. A no-day doesn't mean well for you, and it will never mean well for you. Trust me.
Exactly.
You are only using him to fight Frank, and you're making the fight easier for a no-day. Madam, you are only being used as a pawn right now. And you keep going, repeating yourself, going in circles, in circles, in circles. Madam, please hide your face in shame. This is not how we should be acting as women. The fact that your kids were already involved in this whole thing, you should be ashamed of yourself. Mother-in-law became the babe or side chick. I don't know what to call you. Madam, please stop. I'm so pissed. And let me tell you one thing. I am a law enforcement student in Canada. There is no country that will indict Frank to Spain because of this is domestic social media saga. The government will never waste money to indict someone to Spain, except he committed a murder, armed robbery, pricing, if it's not that, or terrorism. That is the only way they can indict someone. And it takes months, it takes paperwork, it takes a lot of money. So please stop. Stop deceiving those gullible people. And please, this whole thing is very enjoyable, and I will appreciate if you can switch to Pidgin English so that we can enjoy the saga very well. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Again, Ogbete.
Confused as a human being. You are confused, and you are too dull to call yourself a man. To call yourself a man, you are too dull. And you, a man that lack of wisdom and knowledge, what has remained? You are infident. So,
how can you be speaking English, you don't even know the meaning? A man that lack of knowledge and wisdom, you are infident. Do you know the meaning of infident? I was simple on my hand. We don't
to myself.
Exactly.
So, it will be a shame if I am now replying you.
It's true.
So,
Okay.
it's not to be that you. I have made you to cry day and night, but last, all I want from you is evidence.
Thank you, Mama.
Place it on social media. If I will not take it over from there,
Exactly. Any
this
other
is the last you will do to women. This is the last you will do to women. This is your head. Your head is now.
We'll see.
I'm a curse. Continue to follow you. Because people have cursed you, said that the curse is not working.
Shut up, your Marty. The laugh where you get, say I not get your naked pictures. If I get a assassination, I go share them. Who will you rock back? I beg go sit down. Have you not saw when here? They still come to beg. You know you're the wicked. Go and sit down there, my friend. Bloody civilian. If to say I get your nude picture, I go share am. If you look my son, no time away. I not get them. Me, I'm any kid not with my head. It's total. If we are high. Them on the right high. I go to share am. You don't go do anything. You go hang yourself. People don't come here, carry police. At their police station, at their carabinieri office, at their police here. Not be this social media we see. Go and sit down there, bloody civilian. Ozuo. Odegbe. Mama, when they collect your children's husband, Ozuo. Not the shame. You come in here. Now, they not get they deceive. And people don't deceive and not get tired of this media. At the end of the day, they don't call disgrace. And I went for admit, I will bury that. Enough with this paperia. Yeah, if I get that, and I make a live video. I'm not doing something here. All the evil plan they plan for us at the end of the day. Come on, go and sit down there, Ozuo. Go and sit down there. I don't think it's legally. Ewure, mugu, odegbe, elede, body odor, luxury body odor woman. Uwiagbe. Go barrel up. Go back better Toto Fresher. Go to T40 perfume. Type on www.t40.com. Type on for Google www.t40perfume.com. Go on. You go see perfume for private parts for there. No allow. You go see perfume for private parts. No we are we. And money son I want no muye can wa doggy. Agbeke o he no laja wunu oh we are. Oh we are. Person when you clear eye sleep with you, you want vomit. Go want vomit unless person go high. If you not high, you not feel knock that woman. Into high deal well, normally balance. Odo azwe with you. Ozuo. You might in the check not to do anything. Why you can't go to hide the call? Why you not sit down for your live video as you did do before? If not Don Moscow now, you will sit down. We will hear a song, we will have. If not Ajebo, you go sit down. We will hear a song, we will have. Ajebo, only 3,000, Ajekbako. Go see your pay, now you be the worst bully for this media. You don't shut up, you won't cry. Why are you crying? You don't shut up, you won't cry. Wasu. Otegbe, wasu. Abola o ino wiani. Ewia. Jogging. Useless woman. No me obi odo. Useless woman will collect husband from a picking hand. My daughter, now the barrister you want marry. I been at the judge. Now the barrister, I been at the judge. At the end of the day, now you they come marry. Now you can fight for marriage. The man when you want to give your picking man marry your picking. Now at the end of the day, now you can fight for the marriage now. Husband nourish your hand. You only fuck you. You nourish your picking hand. You want buy. Omaso wobo, wawasungu. Wari soyina madame ekwemu. Onare to ewu sleep on top of man. Nou me fiekun. Kokoligi. Kokoligi. That's the worstest of all. Now let me go do back. Now let me go do front. Now let me go raise your leg up. Now let me go do this one. Let me go do. Why I in sexual affair, we they help each other. Okay, well, don't he make me very last. You know, boy, I've young do. Okay. To able to work on top of me. Problem. Sister don't fit work. Too fat. Or he may say, I beg, come there. I want that. Come there. I want that. Come there. When he clap me, I dey cry, I dey shout, I beg, I want that. Come there. I want that. Eke Maridon. I pick one of these. When one shook up. Eke Nado. Oye digbi. Ona ina mele tinya mu ragbe me. Ijabulu. Hey baba. Memwe eziza. Hey ba vie mwe yiri o yiri. O yiri ori o yiri. O yiri. Oh my God. Sister, why are you crying? You don't respect yourself now. Oh, fool you. That fool the way you define so. I go fool you. And then they will cost the use and saga you last. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. To work with a foolie. Now, I'm not there here now. That's my job. That's my area of specialization. We're going to fool you. Sister Oyege. Nothing. Everywhere go this shake. Oyege conglomerate. What soon? Self-claimed wife. Now you the jealous. Why you not be self-claimed? You can't do the same brother, right? When the both of you were not married. But they left you, married the self-claimed wife. And you were still crying. And as you are still crying till now. The self-claimed wife is already married now. Legally, bride price is paid. But you will be, sister will balance when they speak jargons. Amamugo you on or there. Hello? I must greet you already. Like this speaker.
You want to break it the day ways?
I was always spicy,
What can I was spicy and went to Seco, and we was spicy, yeah? And one is oh, where are you? The mamma from where?
No, highness, mama, highness.
This not a bunny. I saw the year who married him, but a woman of Okopisa. Why did you say the more way they thought of me marry your children or make it follow your children?
If I know I'm mean fool. Why me know I get a useless woman? Or you know why a woman is a useless woman?
No, very useless.
And then I don't know this woman useless.
What bad you no good now? I must have what you wear, maybe when you got to wear or to wear not you. Which cannot say be down one. If we might get more, see the doctor. And then mother enter house. Ain't the get shame. Okay, move on both up. If we're more now, and you are born a coon, now we're going to win the time well. Okay, oh man, I don't wash you for a year.
Thank you.
Okay, now. Jesus.
I don't feel laugh. No, for real. That's what I said is truth. You understand? If now some women, they say maybe, okay, you're getting one more zoo, you're going to get how you going to tell me, say, make I date your daughter? You understand? You tell me, say, then I never ever get document, I never get gun, I never get combo. You persuade me, make I follow your daughter. You do everything. You told the essay, you send me your daughter pictures. The two of them. You send me their pictures, make I choose one where I like. The senior one, the second one, you send me their pictures, make I choose any one I like. You want me to be your in-law? I say, okay, no problem. As I see the picture, I reason now. I read it now. It doesn't worth it. Hello. Yeah, I would hear you loud and clear.
That's something. I beg. Is it a good no power? About me, very wise, one see.
Okay,
You want to carry now? Now we go. We were everything. What I do, I advise us on that one. 1 2 minutes.
Go ahead.
Yeah, what I say. I'm saying, Obidje, sister, I'm naming this. Now, I'm not getting that call now. It's a media, it's not where I live. It's a media about the Santa, but it's not what I really like here. We say that my way, my sister, was done with all. No gay. The name of UK. I'm not calling no gay. Near Coco, Boma. I'm near the looking at Sharon Johnson. The person's Maggie. I'm not calling no gay. The name I shot that because Maggie. I'm not saying Johnson.
God bless you.
And I'm not saying I'm not calling no gay and then no get me on it. Okay, can you then I shot that? I'm not saying Johnson. Mommy, mama, I'm not doing no gay. Okay, can you then I feel body?
Merci, Johnson.
We're not even men, we're not even Mutia, we're not the other gay at the top. A shock is well. I don't go on the given my phone. The way I tell you, I just get a weapon. I don't believe you got on my. Oh, yes, because they know rather than the other in the fucking with the only fucking have your body. My sister, Lawa, this dress is getting out of hand. Well, that's fucking now. I try for a method now. Look at it. Oh, Lawa, every girl say where you just. And I'm not getting yet to show that we're always working. No, or if you're able. No, you are. It's just that I was in my who go down and name me. The one not around in the game with the Anano, no, some for town with the also where you just phone. And my mama, I don't get. And some man of my have your bonnet. I bet the sauce making or no. And my mother can say, oh, this one more. Where we go now? If you really see us, where I go, what I'll tell you, I didn't go in Carolina, no cases in London. But I love what you say now. Then, to make sense. Lao, he said, we didn't know my baby, Lao, said you guys in Britain, and we go change.
Listen. Now, the truth, this woman talk. Only few people now will get this wisdom with this woman gets. You see what this woman talk just now? Everybody will not cut in for this guy platform to come fight me, to help them come fight me. At the end, if they leave them for street, after I don't call the interview, they disgrace them for your platform, and you go leave them, I will call the beat those one. Last, I said those one, I go still call me last, go fight person, go help them.